Hello and Assalamu alaikum grade 4 students. This is your English period. Open your new Oxford Modern English workbook. Today we will do some exercises on workbook. Open page number 5. A night in June. As I have already told you about yet and already use of yet and already, now we will practice it more. Read these sentences. He has not finished his homework yet. He has already finished his homework. Now you have to use yet and already. They have dashed had their lunch. It means they have completed. So we will use already. Right here. Already. We do not know if he has arrived yet. Haven't you taken the dog for a walk yet? The children have already put away their books and pencils. Did you notice where the word yet was placed in these sentences? Make 3 sentences of your own using the word yet and 3 sentences using the word already. Okay. You can make it by yourself or you can copy from this. I haven't seen that movie yet, so don't tell me how it ends. What we do, what it has yet to be written. The evening was ending, but the night had not yet come. We have already seen this method before. You are already at the top of your class. I have already told her, but she would not listen to me either. Write these sentences on your notebook, okay, students? Now turn the next page. Page number 6, spell and write. Okay, arrange these lists in alphabetical order. First, find the words that does not fit in the list and cross it out. Colin, Zaid, Hassan, Mariam, Nick and Quetta. What you have to do is you have to write in line wise. The first word must be Ali, Colin, Hassan, Mariam, Nick, Quetta and Zaid. Okay, the next any, bank, every, few, lots, only and some. The next is basket, bell, bison, boat, bring, bullet, bus. Now you have to write the opposites of these following words. Small, big, heavy, light, cold, hot, fair, dark, sharp, blunt, B-L-U-N-T, blunt, bright, out, in, under, over, down, rich, poor. Find these words in dictionary. See how fast you can do it. This is a challenge. You have to find these words in dictionary and write their meanings and write their explanation on your notebook. The first is giraffe. Do you know about a giraffe? African four-legged leaf eater with spotted skin and a long neck. Oyster, an edible creature in a shell, lives in the sea. Stag, a male deer. Write these meanings on notebook. Now there is a challenge, a crossword. I always love these type of challenges as crossword. There are clues across and down. You have to read these and fill this. It's very simple and very easy. Now the first is, when you are tired, you dash down, you lie down. Right here, L-I-E, lie down. Okay, the next is down. This year I am reading book 4. I read book 3. L-A-S-T, last. Okay. 4. It gives us heat and light. It means it is sun. 2. These large animals have trunks but do not pack them. Elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Elephants. Now you have to complete all these. Okay, they're very simple and very easy. Okay, student? Complete all the exercises on your book. Now come to page number 8. Do you know why we have to use the do you know? Where is the boy? Why is the boy smiling? Do you know why? Where are the boy's friends? What is the boy hiding? We can change these questions like this. Do you know why the boy is smiling? Do you know where the boy's friends are? Do you know what the boy is hiding? Now they have given us questions. We have to change like these. Where is the post office? Do you know where the post office is? Where the post office is. What is the postmaster's name? Do you know what the postmaster's name is? Where does the postmaster live? Do you know where the postmaster lives? What does the postmaster do? Do you know what the postmaster does? D-O-E-S, does. When does the postmaster came to the post office? Do you know when the postmaster comes to the post office? When does he go home? Do you know when he goes home? Where do his children go to school? Do you know where his children go to school? Why is the postmaster so happy? Do you know why the postmaster is so happy? These are the answers. You have to write it on your book. Okay, students? Complete all the exercises. Okay? Keep good care of yourself. Keep remembering me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.